One more example, stylish cock, no fault. It's a cinnamon, marking could be better. And his partner is a Spangle hen, a little bit picket. She has dark factor, she has big spots, and yeah, she's too much from the feather. She doesn't fly properly, and again, he can fly easily around in his cage. He is for me close to the ideal budgie. This one as well, for me close to what I call an ideal budgie. That's the melanistic spangle again. It's not a big bird, but I want to show you the position of him. Now he's not very relaxed, but normally he sits very upright. Look the position of the back line, of back skull. Check the position of the wings, of the tail. Everything is the way it should be. That's what I want to see. He's not relaxed, but I think you could get an idea of what I'm after.